Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to add collaborators on Instagram after posting. And the first step is go to your when you are here in your phone, you go to the official application of Instagram, and after that I show you in any of these posts, you need to go to these 3 points in the superior right corner of the post, and here you need to pick here and partnership level and ads. You need to pick here, and after that you need to activate this option of add paid partnership level, and after that you need to go to the brand partners in add brands manually. Here you can search the collaborator in this post with you, and you send like a message for here he accepts, and you can collaborate in this post. Like if it is a marketing campaign, in this post is part of that campaign, you can collaborate with this mark, send you this like invitation to working in the same post. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.